Once that you have given the description, the second option that you will be having is about the thumbnail. Thumbnails are the pictures or the small simple videos which a person gets to see when he hovers his cursor on the top of the video. So people try to put interesting pictures over here where a troll, a prank rather, or interesting moment of the video is highlighted. Or you can even choose to upload a thumbnail right over here. Now, we are going to learn about playlists, how do we create one, and how to add videos to it, and why do we require playlists. We'll be getting to see it in this next section. Now, whether your video is meant for kids or not, select either of the options, or if there are any age restrictions, then you must verify it. The most important section which many people miss out in YouTube is the part wherein you must put the right tags. You must also verify to YouTube whether you are doing any paid promotion or not. So if you are trying to highlight any product, any application, or you're going to talk about any organization even, and it is paid, then you must highlight it to Facebook, YouTube right over here. In the tags section, what is your video actually about? So let us say if it was about YouTube. Now, this is a keyword which I must separate with a comma, and it will be accepted as a tag. I can totally have 500 characters into this.